Now part 1, next chapter we will start trigonometric functions. So for this, first concept is trigonometric equation. So what is meant by trigonometric equation? An equation involving trigonometric functions is called as the functions is called as trigonometric equation. Means sine theta is equal to half. What is the variable here? Theta. So you have to find the value of theta here. So this is a trigonometric equation and its solution. When you find the value of theta, it is its solution. Then solution of trigonometric equation. A value of a variable in trigonometric equation which satisfies the equation is called as the solution of trigonometric equation. Now here say sine theta is equal to half. Means when sine theta is half, at what angle? When theta is equal to pi by 6, then sine pi by 6 is equal to half. So value of theta is pi by 6. Now here in the solution of the trigonometric equation, there are two solutions. First is principal solution and then general solution. So principal solution means the solution which lies between 0 to 360 degrees and 0 to 2 pi radians is called as principal solution. And for general solution, you can take the solution can be more than 360, and there are many formulas for that we'll see afterwards. First we will see how to find the principal solution of the trigonometric equation. Now here everything will be in radians. The angles will be in radians, not in the degrees. So remember, 2 pi radians means 360 degree. Pi radians means 180. Pi by 2 means 90. Pi by 3 means 60. Pi by 4 radians means 45 degrees. And pi by 6 radians means 30 degrees. So remember 2 pi, pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 6. 360, 180, 90, 60, 45, 30. Now here one more thing, one more easy simple way you have to remember. Now see here, these are the 4 quadrants: first, second, third, fourth. So you have to remember the signs of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec in all the 4 quadrants. Then the finding the principal solution will be easy for you. So this is 0, here it is 90 degree or pi by 2, here it is 180 or pi, here it is 3 pi by 2 or 270 degree, and here 2 pi means 360 degrees. Okay, now this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So what you will remember here, see, ASTC means all students take coffee. Remember like this. For remembering it is all students take coffee. Means what? All means in first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. Means A means all. Now second is what? S. S means what? Sine. And partner of sine is cosec. So sine and cosec positive in second quadrant, other all negative. Then in third quadrant T is there. See, T means what? Tan, and partner of tan is cot. So tan and cot are positive and other all are negative. Okay, so here tan and cot will be positive, other all trigonometric functions will be negative. And here C is there, in fourth quadrant C is there. So cos and sec are positive and other cos partner sec. So cos and sec are positive, other all are negative. Now here for allied angles, what you have to, in the principal solution you need the allied angle. For that what you need, you have to take the, you have to write the allied angle. So you will not take pi by 2, because at pi by, if you take pi by 2 minus theta, if suppose you take sine pi by 2 minus theta, it will change and it will become cos. So make it easy, you will only take pi and 2 pi. So suppose the value comes between, say, in the second quadrant, value comes in the second angle comes in the second quadrant, what you will take, here it is pi, so and theta comes here in the second quadrant. So while taking allied angle, what you will take, pi, here pi is there, so pi minus theta. Suppose you can take pi by 2 plus theta also, but because of that the value changes, means the sine cos trigonometric function changes. So what you do, you will take always pi minus theta, so it will be easy. Suppose the value comes here in the second quadrant, you will take pi minus theta. If the value comes in third quadrant, you will take pi plus theta. After pi it is, so pi plus theta. If the value comes in fourth quadrant, you will take, here 2 pi is there, before that means 2 pi minus theta. So all these things you remember, means all students take coffee, means here all positive, S means sine and cosec positive, T means tan and cot positive, and C means cos and sec positive, or other all negative. Now one more thing you have to remember here is, this table. This table you are learning from 9th or 10th standard. This also values you should remember properly by whatever your trick is there. By that you have to you have to remember all these values. Write and take this table also. Okay. Now first part of it is to find the principal solution. So we will see first exercise 3.1. First question is find the principal solution. Okay, so to find the principal solution, always remember for the principal solution, the solution must be between 0 and 2 pi, means between 0 and 360 degrees. Now here our first sum is cos theta is equal to half. Now see, when is cos theta half? See in our table, cos theta is half at pi by 3. So we will write cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3 is equal to half. So we got angle theta, which is pi by 3. Okay, so what will be the value of theta? Value of theta will be pi by 3. So you have to first see in the table, cos pi by cos theta is equal to half, means cos pi by 3 is equal to half, see in the table, and theta is equal to pi by 3. Now what is our condition for the principal solution? The angle should lie between 0 and 360. So between 0 and 360 means pi by 3 lies between 0 and 2 pi. Therefore this is the first principal solution. Then now next you have to see where this is a positive angle. So the next we have to see where the cos, now you have to remember this. So where the cos is positive, in the fourth quadrant. So what will be our allied angle? Our allied angle will be 2 pi minus theta. So how to remember? Say where our cos is positive in the fourth quadrant, so what you will take? 2 pi minus theta. So cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi minus theta. Now here what we got? Our theta is pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 is equal to cos 2 pi minus what is theta? Pi by 3. Now do cross multiplication. That is 6 pi minus pi upon 3. So cos pi by 3 is equal to cos 5 pi by 3. So again our theta came 5 pi by 3. So our second principal solution is theta is equal to 5 pi by 3, which lies between 0 to 2 pi. So last answer you will write principal solutions are pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Next one. See the next one. Next one is sec theta is equal to 2 upon root 3. Now we properly know values up to sine, cos and tan. We remember properly the values of trigonometric functions sine, cos and tan. So sec we will convert into cos theta. So sec theta is equal to 2 upon root 3. Therefore cos theta is equal to reciprocally root 3 by 2. Now see in the table when the value cos value is 3 by 2 at pi by 6. So cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 6. Then pi by 6 lies between 0 and 2 pi. So this is our first solution. So our first angle we got theta is pi by 6. Now we will see the allied angle. One more. Now see again cos theta. See here. This you have to remember. Again cos is positive at in the fourth quadrant. So which allied angle you will take? 2 pi minus theta. So cos theta is equal to 2 pi minus theta. What is our theta we got? Pi by 6. So cos 2 pi minus pi by 6, that is cos 6 2s are 12 pi minus pi upon 6 cross multiplication. So cos theta is equal to 12 minus pi 11 pi by 6. So theta is equal to 11 pi by 6. So 11 pi by 6 also is less than 360. So the condition is satisfied. So the principal solution is pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Next sum is cot theta is equal to root 3. Here also you have to find the principal solution. So cot also will convert into tan and take. So tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. So when is the tan value? 1 upon root 3 at pi by 6. So tan pi by 6 is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 6, which lies in the range 0 to 2 pi. So our first principal angle theta is pi by 6. Now we have to find its allied angle. Now where is tan positive? See, tan is positive in the third quadrant. See, tan positive. So in third quadrant, which angle we are going to take? Pi plus, see, pi plus theta. So we will take tan pi by 6 is equal to tan pi plus theta. Now what is our theta we got? Pi plus pi by 6. Do cross multiplication. 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. So 7 pi by 6 lies between 0 to 2 pi. So our principal solution is pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. Now next one, question number 2. Question number 2 is in question number 2 there are negative values of the trigonometric functions. Till first 4 sums the values were positive. Now here negative. So how to do? See, the what is given? Sin theta is equal to minus half. Now sin theta, this minus sign keep as it is, and when the sin value is half at pi by 6, so minus sin pi by 6. Okay, now sin theta is equal to, see now when this will be when the sign, how to make it positive, that sign value and to make it positive. Now see here where is the sign negative, in which quadrant the sign value is negative. Now when the sign value is negative, so here all are positive, here sign is positive, so this also we cannot take. So sign is negative in third and fourth quadrant. So allied angle will be pi plus theta and 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so first we will take sin theta is equal to sin pi plus theta, this one, so that our sign will become negative sign will become sin pi plus theta. This will be the allied angle. So we have to see now here negative. First, in first three sums we saw, we have to take in which quadrant the values were positive. Now a negative sign is there, so we'll take in which quadrant the sign is negative. So third and fourth quadrant. So we will take first third. So sin theta is equal to pi plus theta. See, pi plus theta. What is our theta? Pi by 6. So cross multiplication, sin 7 pi upon 6. So value of theta is 7 pi upon 6. Now next one is 2 pi minus theta. Next allied angle is 2 pi minus theta. So sin theta is equal to 2 pi minus theta, that is 2 pi minus pi by 6. It becomes 6 2s are 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 6. So theta is equal to 11 pi by 6. So these both you have to write that condition also that they lie between 0 to 2 pi. So 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Principal solution are 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. See, next one is tan theta is equal to minus 1. Now same again, negative is there. So tan theta is equal to this negative keep as it is, and 1 is the tan value, 1 at tan pi by 4. So tan theta is equal to minus tan pi by 4. Tan theta is equal to, when is tan value negative. Now see again our this chart. So when is tan value negative, see here all positive are there, here and here. See here tan is positive, here all are positive. So where is tan negative? In second and fourth quadrant. So which allied angle we will take? First we will take pi minus theta and then 2 pi minus theta. We have to see where tan is negative. Tan is positive here and here. So where it will be negative? Second and fourth. So first we will take pi minus theta. So tan theta is equal to tan pi minus theta. That is equal to tan pi minus pi by 4. That is, do cross multiplication. Tan theta is equal to tan 3 pi upon 4. So 3 pi upon 4 is between 0 and 2 pi. Now next we will take 2 pi minus theta. In fourth quadrant it is. So in fourth quadrant also tan value is negative. So tan 2 pi minus theta. Now what is our theta? Pi by 4. So 2 pi minus pi by 4. Then tan theta is equal to 4 to the 8 pi minus pi, that is 7 pi by 4. So theta is equal to 7 pi by 4, which is between 0 and pi. So principal solution is 3 pi and 7 pi, 3 pi upon 4 and 7 pi upon 4. Now in that only see the third sum. See the third sum. See, this equation is given. Root 3 cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So only what you have to do here, same type of sum, only what you have to do here, cos theta keep to left hand side and other things bring to right hand side. So first take this 2 this side, it will become minus 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 2 upon this root 3 will come here, it will become minus 2 upon root 3. Now this cosec. So this cosec we will convert and take into sine because we know the sine values. So sin theta is equal to minus as it is and take reciprocal root 3 by 2. Now when sine value is root 3 by 2 at pi by 3. So sin theta is equal to minus sin pi by 3. Now in which quadrant the sine value is negative, we have to see. In which quadrant the sine value is negative. So in first quadrant all are positive. In second quadrant, see in the second quadrant sine is positive, so we cannot take this 2. So in third and fourth quadrant sine value is negative. So we will take pi plus theta and 2 pi minus theta. These are the two allied angles. So sin theta is equal to sin pi plus theta. What is our theta? Pi by 3. So sin pi plus pi by 3, that is equal to, do cross multiplication, sin theta is equal to sin 4 pi by 3 and theta is equal to 4 pi upon 3, which lies between 0 and 2 pi. So this is our first principal solution. And then what you have to take? Sine 2 pi minus theta. In fourth quadrant it is sine is negative. So what is our theta? 2 pi minus pi by 3. So 6 pi minus 5, 5 pi by 3. Therefore theta is equal to 5 pi by 3, which is lies between 0 and 2 pi. So the principal solution is 4 pi upon 3 and 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by